Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix the verification code not received. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to fix this one. First is just restart your device. Refreshes your network and clears minor bugs is the main prio for this one. So all you have to do is to long press your power button. It depends on the model, but you just have to simply restart it. Once done, you can now check if the problem is fixed. If not, then you need to do the second method, and that is to just check your internet or mobile signal. You need to ensure you're connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. Make sure that you have a strong connection. Also, wait for a few minutes. Sometimes there's a delay of up to 5 minutes. Next is turn airplane mode on and off. You can also disable do not disturb or focus mode. This may silence message alerts. So basically that's it. Now, another way in order for you to fix this one is to just try resending the code. Most apps let you request it again after 30 to 60 seconds. And if this didn't work, then the last thing is to contact your carrier, as if short code messages are blocked or filtered. So basically, these are the ways on how to fix a verification code not received. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.